Down news dictation 56 new para. The Saudi delegation, led by Minister for Investment, is set to visit Pakistan from October 9 to 11, about a week ahead of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit in Islamabad. The delegation is expected to include representatives from both government agencies and the private sector, according to Dawn. The Prime Minister thanked China, Saudi Arabia and the UAE for their support in obtaining the IMF loan facility, and also mentioned last week's successful visit of Malaysian Prime Minister, when two sides agreed that Pakistan would export halal meat and rice to Malaysia. PM Shehbaz said, consequent to the finest level of teamwork, the IMF program had been approved, inflation was reduced from 32% to 6.9%, exports and remittances were on surge, and the stock exchange was skyrocketing. New para. Sabotaging all these efforts for the sake of politics would be the biggest conspiracy to the country, he remarked, highlighting his government's reform agenda, he mentioned the doubled number of tax return filers, broadening tax base and digitization of the FBR. He said oil prices had been reduced for the fifth time, and a rupees 50 billion relief package was announced for power consumers of the protected category, apart from the Punjab government's rupees 55 billion package. On top of that, thanking the IMF chief for her support in approving the IMF facility for Pakistan, the Prime Minister said she was also appreciative of the reforms introduced by the incumbent and caretaker governments. New para. In a separate statement on Tuesday, Finance Minister Muhammad Aurangzeb also stressed that macroeconomic stability had begun to take hold, with currency stability and $10.7 billion in reserves following the receipt of the first tranche from the International Monetary Fund. He said inflation had dropped to 6.9%, a 44-month low, with all three elements, headline inflation, core inflation, and average inflation, now in single digits. The minister expressed the optimism that the policy rate would gradually decrease in the upcoming State Bank of Pakistan monetary policy meeting. He emphasized that Karachi Interbank offered rate, a key factor, was already below expected levels. Furthermore, the government had reduced its borrowing to minimize debt servicing costs, enabling banks to lend to the private sector.